Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif are already busy supervising the decor of their new bought house in Juhu. Bollywood news is dominated by celebrity weddings. Rumored lovebirds Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif are all set to tie the knot in a lavish ceremony from 7 to 9 December. If reports are to be believed, the two have already started their wedding preparations as well. For the same, a 700-year-old heritage site turned into a resort, Six Senses Fort Bharwara in Madhopur, Rajasthan has been booked for their wedding. A team even went to the location to prepare all the necessary things like car rentals that have been arranged for the wedding guest. While the wedding preparations are in full swing, Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif have also built a love nest for themselves in Juhu's Raj Mahal, an ultra-luxurious building. The star has rented the 8th floor of the apartment back in July this year, and they will be neighbors to Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli, who have 2 floors in the same building. As per the E-Times report, the entire floor is given to one family only. Citing an unnamed source, the report reveals that the decor is being done at a good pace and Vicky and Katrina are expected to move into their new home sometime in December. Not just that, the Suryavanshi actress has been visiting the house and taking an active interest in the decor and other arrangements. The source further added, sometimes she comes with Vicky and sometimes alone. Meanwhile, India Today reports also throws some light on Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's Juhu apartment. Varun Singh, who heads a real estate portal, said to the publication, Vicky has rented an apartment in Juhu's Raj Mahal, an ultra-luxurious building, for a period of 60 months, that is 5 years. He rented the 8th floor apartment in July 2021. The security deposit paid by Vicky Kaushal is close to 1.75 crore and the rent for the initial 36 months is rupees 8 lakh per month. For the next 12 months, that is 8.40 lakh per month, and the remaining 12 months, Vicky Kaushal will pay a rent of rupees 8.82 lakh per month.